Hey there, my amazing wellness tribe. Welcome back to Tia Shared the Red, California. Let's be honest for a second. We all start our day with the best intentions, right? A super healthy breakfast, maybe a green smoothie, and we are feeling on the top of the world. But then the clock hits 4 pm, and suddenly it feels like all that morning determination just vanishes into thin air. We start reaching for the chips, namkins, samosas, sugar tea, and boom, all the hard work from the morning undone. I know because I have been there countless times. But here is the thing, I found a solution. It's been working for me and for my so many amazing clients for over 10 years now. Today, I am sharing 3 super healthy, high protein, homemade snack recipes that are completely travel friendly, fantastic for keeping you healthy throughout the day, and will totally help you to reach your weight loss goals. Plus, kid will absolutely love this, and they are way more healthier and budget friendly than anything you will find at the store. It's not just about weight loss. It's about sustained energy, feeling fantastic, and actually enjoying your healthy journey. So, no need of pen and paper. I have already put together a free recipe guide with all these amazing goodies. You can download it from the description box below. Before we dive into that deliciousness, if you are looking for more healthy and delicious recipes along with wellness tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button. New video drops every Saturday morning at 8 am. You won't want to miss them. For this you will need oats, nut butter, unsweetened cocoa powder, chia seeds, dates and cinnamon. It's literally a dump and blend situation. Throw everything into your blender or food processor and let it do the magic. Now let's get ready for some messy hands. Once it's all blended, roll them into bite-sized balls. You can pop them in the refrigerator for a more firm texture, and voila, your amazing little energy bites are ready. They are absolutely travel friendly and way more cheaper than those store-bought bars. We are definitely packing them for our circus trip coming up. Next up, for those of us who crave something savory and crunchy without the guilt, my crispy roasted chickpeas. Forget the unhealthy chips. These are packed with plant-based protein and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Plus, chickpeas are a great source of iron. For this we need canned or boiled chickpeas, little bit of oil, spices and salt. You know I am a big believer of natural and wholesome ingredients. So at my home I always soak and boil my chickpeas. It's a bit of more work, but I feel good to know what exactly goes inside my food. Now for those who are looking for a quicker option, this recipe works great for canned chickpeas too. Just make sure they are thoroughly drained and rinsed. Either way, the key for crispiness is getting them super dry. Once they are dry, you will just need all the spices and salt according to your taste preference. Here I am using roasted cumin and coriander powder, little bit of chili powder and salt. I am also going to use some garlic powder. Spraying little bit of oil, and that's it. Now we have to coat the chickpeas well with the spices. Once they are wonderfully coated with all the spices, spread them out on a single layer into your baking sheet and then pop them into your preheated oven at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes, tossing them halfway until they are golden brown and crispy. The best part, these satisfy those crunch cravings, give you a solid protein boost to curb those 4 p.m. munchies. And these are so versatile. Pack them in a little baggie for your commute, for a picnic, and even for your kids' lunch boxes. My family absolutely love this. I hope your family will love this too. Are you a savory snack person or a sweet snack person? Tell me in the comments, I am very curious. Our third super snack, we are going with something incredibly satisfying, wonderfully crunchy, and packed with vitamins. Homemade air-fried veggie chips. These are perfect when you want that crispy texture without the deep-fried guilt. Plus, they are perfectly portable. The beauty of these chips is how versatile they are. You can use thin slices of almost all farm vegetables. My favorites are beetroot, sweet potato, zucchini, and today first time I am going to try with kale too. All you need to do is to slice your veggies super thin. I am going to try my best. Then toss them with little bit of oil. I am spraying some peanut oil and sprinkling some Himalayan pink salt. This is my secret spice for these veggie chips. I love to add Mexican chili lime mix, but it's completely optional. Next, into the air fryer they go. Arrange them in a single layer, ensuring they don't overlap. Remember, the zucchini or kale takes lesser time than the thick vegetables like beetroot or sweet potato. Listen to that crunch. They are incredibly satisfying. This is an excellent way to provide more vegetables into your diet. Plus, they provide lots of fiber. Because they are completely dry and crispy, they travel exceptionally well into a sealed container or a reusable bag. They are fantastic alternative to store-bought chips, and we can't get enough of them. I would love to hear some ideas from you that what other vegetables we can turn them into chips. So there you have it, my friends. 3 incredibly easy, high protein and homemade snack recipes that are perfect for home and travel. They are amazing for keeping your energy steady, supporting your weight loss journey, and truly budget friendly compared to constantly buying snacks from outside. Remember, beating those 4 p.m. temptations is totally doable with little bit of planning and all these homemade delicious options. We are definitely going to take them to all our summer trips. If you love this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs a healthy snack upgrade. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on next Saturday with a new video. Bye for now.